Welcome to the Beginner's Guide. Today, we're exploring one of the most iconic medieval structures in Scandinavia, the Visby City Wall. Here are 20 facts you probably didn't know about this remarkable fortress. 1. The Visby City Wall stretches an impressive 3.44 kilometers around the old town. 2. The height varies. Along the seaside, the wall stands about 4.5 to 5.5 meters tall, but on the landward side, it rises to 10 or even 11 meters. 3. Construction began around 1250, starting with the seaside section. 4. The land wall was built soon after, between 1270 and 1288, and reinforcements continued into the mid-1300s. 5. Originally, the wall included around 29 large towers and 22 saddle towers. 6. When the wall was completed, Visby had about 18 city gates. 7. The wall is built as a shell wall, 2 outer stone layers filled with rubble and crushed brick. 8. Builders used lime mortar and clay, not cement, typical for medieval construction. 9. One of the oldest towers is the Kruttornet, the powder tower, originally built in the 1100s. 10. It only got its name, Powder Tower, in the 1700s, when gunpowder was stored inside. 11. Some of the most famous gates include Osterport from around 1286, Norderport from 1289, and Snackgardsporten from 1294. 12. The wall was a true defensive structure, equipped with archery slits and shooting platforms. 13. One reason the wall was built was a civil war on Gotland in 1288, between the city's merchants and the island's farmers. 14. The wall also witnessed the dramatic invasion of King Valdemar Atterdag of Denmark in 1361. 15. In the 1400s and 1500s, the wall was strengthened with new defensive outworks called caponiers. 16. The Fisherman's Gate was added in the 1400s for Visby's fishing community. 17. In the 1800s, romantic new gates appeared, including Karleksporten, the Lover's Gate, built in 1872. 18. Parts of the wall collapsed in 2012, partly because earlier repairs used cement, which trapped moisture. 19. Today the wall is restored using traditional lime mortar, preserving its medieval character. 20. And finally, the Visby City Wall is a major reason why Visby is a UNESCO World Heritage Site today. These were 20 things you might not have known about the Visby City Wall. A medieval masterpiece, a symbol of Gotland, and a place where history still lives in every stone. If you enjoyed this guide, remember to like the video, subscribe, and tell us what Visby topic you want to explore next.